Imagine biting into a crisp piece of kimchi and feeling a burst of tangy flavor light up your taste buds. Ever wonder what's behind this culinary delight? Today, we unlock the secrets of fermentation, an alchemy of the micro world. Hold on to your seats, because we're about to dive deep into the microscopic realm where tiny organisms are quietly orchestrating the symphony of life. Why do fermented foods boast such complex and delectable flavors? It's all thanks to the microscopic maestros, bacteria and yeast, transforming ordinary sugars into a carnival of acids, gases, and occasionally alcohol. Do you ever ponder how your beloved yogurt can sit patiently in your fridge, defying time itself? It's the live cultures within, producing enzymes and acids that act as nature's preservatives, extending the life of foods far beyond their raw beginnings. But the marvels of fermentation don't just halt at flavor and longevity. What if these tiny bacteria could be one of your most powerful allies in health? Could the simple act of enjoying fermented delicacies like yogurt or sauerkraut be boosting your gut health significantly? These foods are teeming with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that keep our digestive systems running smoothly. Have you considered how your gut's health extends its influence beyond digestion, impacting your entire well-being? It's not just about savoring flavors, but also about enriching our bodies with nutrients that become far more accessible through the fermentation process. Have you ever been curious about the microscopic breakdown that makes nutrients in fermented foods so readily absorbable? It's like these microorganisms pre-digest the food, liberating vitamins and nutrients, paving the way for optimal nutrition intake. But could this microbial magic also play a role in warding off diseases? Studies suggest that the probiotics found in fermented foods might just be the unsung heroes in disease prevention. These microscopic warriors within fermented foods could protect us against modern maladies like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. And yet, the story of fermentation doesn't end in the kitchen. Ever thought of how bacteria and yeast might be powering our industries and shaping our future? Can you imagine industries thriving on the backs of these tiny creatures? From fueling cars with bioethanol to creating enzymes that scrub away stains, fermentation stands as a pillar of innovation and sustainability. In closing, the world of fermentation is vast and vitally important. It enhances our meals, nurtures our health, and even fuels the engines of industry. And remember, with the transformative power of fermentation, we are only beginning to scratch the surface. Ready to unravel the mysteries of fermentation further? Check out Burplids' website, where the adventure into the fermenting universe continues. Enter a realm where health meets tradition and taste intertwines with technology. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield.